These two shirts look similar, but they are made of very different fabrics. This shirt is made of ordinary fabric. This shirt is made of a fabric with fine surface structures. It can repel water and stains. To test the shirt's water-repelling property, we pour some water on both shirts. The ordinary shirt absorbs the water and becomes very wet. However, on the other shirt, the water droplets roll off and the shirt remains dry. Besides, the shirt is stain-repelling and it does not stain easily.